Hey traders, John Haley. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to teach you sort of days in the markets to stay away from when trading. See, when we're trading, we want to gauge momentum. So my outcome, my goal for this video is to teach you a setup or some days to stay away from the markets if you want to be gauging, if you want to get into the best chance possible of having a good successful trade. So let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on this video. This video is not giving you any advice at all. This is just giving you my personal opinion, what I'm seeing today. I have no idea what's going to happen tomorrow or moving forward into the future. So all trading involves with risk. Do not place a trade based on what you see in this video. This video here is just to educate you, to help you become a much better trader. Also, once you finish with this video, click the subscribe button, hit the like button, also the first link in the description, click on that, and I'm going to teach you the best trading strategy to trade in this high volatile environment. Alright guys, so let me actually just teach you here. I want to teach you to stay away from these trading days, and that's the reason why I've titled this video, because it's important that when we are trading, the most important or the powerful, when we're trading, right, we always want to be trading with momentum and with trend. We've all heard the trend is your friend. And we want to be gauging momentum, right? So we want to be gauging momentum, and in the past videos I've talked about momentum and so on and so forth. That's not what this video is about. But the opposite is also true. We want to stay away from where there is no momentum. And how do you do that? Or how do you identify that? Well, there's really two things we can do. One, we can look at the actual bars itself or the candlesticks, and two, we can use the moving averages. So let's actually talk about number one, the bars. When the market starts to do this, when the market starts to go, we just say we have this day here. Oops. We have this day here, and then we have this day here. Now, what type of day is that? It's an outside day, because the high, you can see it's sort of like outside this day. The high is higher. Today's high is higher than yesterday, and today's low is lower than yesterday. So we have an outside day. It's not really an up day or a down day. See, an up day looks something like that. A higher high and a higher low compared to yesterday's bar. Or a down day looks something like that. A lower low and a lower high compared to yesterday's low. All right, it's at least that is showing you some sort of momentum. Forget where the open and close is right now. You know, and if we had days like this here, right? What is here? This is an inside day, because now it's actually inside this bar. And then we have this sort of day here. So we might have a day like that where basically the low is equal and up there high, and then we might have a day like this here. So now we've got a down day. Now, as you can see, right, the up, down, and then we might actually have an up day here. But as you can see, it's still within this whole range here, as you can see, right? And then we might have this day here, and then we might have that day there, and then this day here. Can you see how this is overall sideways movement here? And this overall sideways movement here, you're going to get chewed up by trading this. What you want to do is you want to wait for a good breakout, boom, good breakout day or good breakdown day, depending on the trend and so on and so forth, to looking at that. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is obviously the moving averages. Now, if I move my chart up here and I show you an example over here, you can see what happened over here, right? When all the moving averages started coming close together. This was the time where you should say, you know what, there's no momentum here. Small day, small day, small day, sideways, 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 right? Just all these sort of sideways days until what? Until we actually started to break out, and then we started to move a little bit. So you can see that when the market starts to go this sideways movement, you don't want to be preempting or say, you know what, I think this market's going to break up, I think this market's going to go down, because that's gambling. What you want to do is you want to be able to just stay away from the market and say, you know what, I'm going to wait for the market to tell me where it's going, then I'm going to jump on that. Make sense, guys? So stay away from these particular trade days, because the only thing is it's only going to hurt you when trading the markets.